In this video, we're going to show you how to make your own bubbles using only things you most likely have in your kitchen already. Firstly, we need to cut our plastic bottle in half and use the top part for our bubbles. Later, we place a wet wipe on the top of our bottle and secure it with a rubber band. Can I help you?
No.
Can I help you?
Yes. This is better than my one. You need to be a circle.
Which color are you choosing? Orange and green. Now we add a little bit of dish soap. Stop. Okay, add a little bit of water as well. Okay, mix it together. I'm going to choose blue color. Little bit of dish soap and water. Mix it together. We all chose our favorite colors and now we're going to see how magic works. Dip it in.